Reporting again, live from 31 West Tremont. Para los que están allá en Puerto Rico, gócesen, quieren nieve, aquí le traigo un poco de nieve, por lo menos por el video, para mi sobrino Joey Rosario. Así es que está Nueva York. Aquí están los niños allá arriba jugando. Why isn't my light on? Serena, you're blocking my view.
Nigga, shut the hell up. Yo, I'm gonna sink in this shit, bro. That ass. Look at this.
Okay. So this is the sleigh. I would sleigh, but knowing me, this little hill will come down where you will be right in the intersection, and the last thing I need is to be run over by a sanitation truck.
I can't make no snowballs.
Ay, so, por ahora, mi gente, no siento el frío, but we are freshly downstairs.
No one in my boot. No one in my boot.
Vamos a seguir por ahí. Oh, oh, mira, me voy a meter aquí. Esto se ve alto. Anda. Si no me ven, ya. Vamos a ver. Sirena, métete ahí.
I'm already in.
Sirena, come on. You the sportscaster over here. That's Serena. Serena, just stand.
I am standing. Oh crap. Oh crap.
Here, Serena. Record me.
My
Pero-
hands are all snowy, mom.
Mira, se tiró. Ay, I missed it.
Oh my god.
tiró.
Snow is in my boot, mom.
Ah, a mí se me metió también. Ay, forget the S word. Here, Sari. I'm gonna go in here. Serena, come out!
Oh my god.
Don't cover the light.
Okay, people. Oh! This is Celine Morales, and I shouldn't have done this. Right now, it's to my knees, my kneecap, and it's to my shoes. But I think we're good. You think I can throw myself? Would it hold my weight?
Yeah.
Oh yes, it holds. Okay. Oh crap! No, I can't. I'm falling. Hold on, I'm falling. I can't get up. I have no support now. Okay. Ahí vengo. Espérate. Ahí me quedé, conchero. Once you fall down, fat people cannot get back up. Okay. We did it. Okay, people, follow me. Am I the freaking recorder, bro?
Yes.
Ah, Dios mío.
This is a tree. Beautiful scene.
I should not come out.
Is it 3 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. So, reporting live. This is channel. What is going on? So my people, allá en Puerto Rico, en la isla bonita, te traigo el blizzard del 2016. We out. My nigga.